Presenting a pre-owned 2016 BMW M3. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.0-liter i6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and a six-speed manual transmission. This BMW is a great value with less than 49,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.